Are you venturing into digital marketing and feeling overwhelmed by all these options and strategies available? You're not alone, my friend. In today's video, we're going to break down 2 popular ways to make money online: high-ticket affiliate marketing and residual income. We will help you to decide which path aligns best with your long-term goals in the digital marketing space. Let's dive in, shall we? Hey there, what's happening, my friends? Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and welcome to this very important video. If you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe and like button and hit that bell so that you can get notified of any important updates and so you don't miss out on anything. First, let's talk about high-ticket affiliate marketing within the digital marketing industry. This model involves promoting and selling high-value digital products like premium software, advanced online courses, or comprehensive marketing tools. The big draw here is the significant commission you earn from each sale, sometimes in the thousands of dollars. However, there's a trade-off. After closing a sale, you need to go back to square one and find a new customer to keep the income rolling. It's a strategy that offers big wins, but it can be demanding, requiring you to constantly hunt for that next sale. Now let's explore residual income, another powerful strategy in digital marketing. With residual income, you promote products or services like subscription-based software, membership sites, or recurring digital services that pay you month after month for each customer that you sign up. The beauty of this model lies in its compounding potential. You do the work once, whether it's creating content, setting up automation, or optimizing campaigns, and continue to earn from that effort over time. This will create a steady income stream that builds gradually, offering stability and growth, especially as your audience or customer base expands. So, what are the pros and the cons of each strategy in the context of digital marketing? High-ticket affiliate marketing is fantastic if you're aiming for substantial, quick payouts. It's ideal for marketers who are skilled in closing high-value deals and don't mind the hustle of constantly finding new leads. However, it is high risk, high reward, and your income can be inconsistent. On the other hand, residual income models offer us a more sustainable approach. While the initial earnings might be modest compared to high-ticket sales, the ongoing revenue can grow significantly as you build a loyal customer base. This approach is perfect for digital marketers who prefer to set up automated systems like email funnels, content marketing strategies that continue to generate income over time. Now, you might be wondering, which strategy should you choose for your digital marketing business? It really depends on your goals and the kind of business you want to build. Now, if you're someone who enjoys the thrill of high-value sales and has the skills to convert big-ticket items, then high-ticket affiliate marketing could be your best bet. But if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable income stream that leverages automation and consistent customer engagement, residual income might be the smarter choice. Consider where you want your digital marketing business to be in the next few years. Are you aiming for quick wins, or do you prefer a strategy that grows steadily and supports you in the long run? Before we close, here's something important to consider. With a residual income model, you're not just building a business alone. Some online marketing opportunities come with a supportive community that's there to guide you every step of the way. Imagine having access to live training, webinars, and Q&A sessions 5 days a week where all your questions can be answered live, where you can keep sharpening your skills. That's the power of a community in digital marketing, helping you grow and succeed together. If you are open to learning more about how residual income can work in your digital marketing business and how you can leverage the power of a supportive community of heart-centered entrepreneurs, I encourage you to check out freedomlifebusiness.com, where you'll discover all the details and see why this could be the perfect strategy for building a stable and growing income online. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone who might benefit from these insights. Always make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams no matter what they are. Bye for now.